What up, what up, what up, guys? I'm back again with another video. Hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm gonna be showcasing some tweaks, some iOS 15 tweaks. I'm currently running iOS 15 on a small iPhone 7, and my phone is jailbroken by I'm using the Dopamine Jailbreak. I'm currently using the latest version. I think it's 2.1.5. It's a new one already. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So the first tweak I'm going to be showing you guys is a tweak called Minotaur. Minotaur is a small tweak. It's a notification tweak that adds a small bell icon on your status bar. If you look at my status bar, you can notice a little bell next to the orange dot. When you tap on it, it shows you all your notifications. Feel me? Every notification on your notification center shows up on Minotaur. So I think it's a pretty neat tweak. Has a couple of preferences if you want to play around with it. So yeah, that's Minotaur. So the next tweak is a tweak called App Data. What App Data does, it shows you everything about any app on your phone. For example, I have Upwork over here. So when you swipe up on the app icon, it shows you a lot of stuff, very useful information about the app. You can clear the cache. You can set a custom number of notification badge count. You can reset the data to save space on your phone, among other things. So I use that tweak a lot with YouTube because sometimes YouTube takes a lot of my space. You can see over there, I already took about half a gigabyte. So yeah, I really like that tweak. I really think everyone should have app data. App data. That's app data. Now for the third tweak, I know you already saw it. This is probably one of the best tweaks of all time that I've ever come across. This tweak is called Split Over Pro. I think so. Or Split View Pro. Here it is. So Split View Pro is a multitasking tweak. It enables you to open two apps at the same time on the same screen. You can choose to have one app on the top and one app below. But I like having windows. I like having a floating window on it. So I like having floating windows on top of whatever I'm doing. So for example, let's say I don't know, on Safari or something. Then all I need to do to activate the tweak is I swipe from the bottom left, and I have all these apps that I can quickly open to. So I'd opened tweak settings. I don't know if you can see it. So you can see you can get to move it around. You can shrink it. You can expand it. You can access any of the apps you set on this little toolbar. Let me show you. So these are the current apps I selected. So you can see they're all lined up pretty nicely. Yeah, so I could be in any app. I could be playing a game. I could just, if I want to access another app quickly, I just swipe up from the bottom left, and this pretty neat thing comes up. I think it's brilliant. Look at that shit. Oh my God. Shout out to the developer of this tweak. I used to love a similar tweak like this called Floating Dock Plus 1314, but for some reason, I think the developer gave up on it. So I'm glad this dude, whoever made this tweak needs a beer, bro. So you can see I can access everything. I can access my Apple Music. I was listening to Baby, yeah. I can access my Spotify at the same time. My Spotify, I can go on Twitter. Feel me? I can go on Twitter. I can go on Instagram. I can open up Sileo. This is Sileo. I have Sileo, Saily, Zebra. and installer. I can access all these things from this one window. Like I haven't even opened any other app, and my app switcher is like those apps are not even open. I really think this tweak is amazing. This tweak is amazing. Please go get it. It's on the C Saipon repo. All right, great. So next up is Fiona. Yeah, that's Fiona. So Fiona, what Fiona does, it changes your well, how can I say it? It changes your tabs icon, makes them float. You can see here, down here. They're not usually looking like this, and it works everywhere. It works with Spotify, messages, phone app, any app that has those tabs. Basically, they start floating. That's why it's called. Even Twitter. You see my Twitter over here? Completely different. Completely different. Anyway, so that's Fiona. So another tweak I wanted to show you guys is a tweak called Sleep Peasy. Yeah, it is. Sleep Easy 2. So what Sleep Easy does is it acts like a timer. So when you're playing music, for example, let me open up my control center. When you're playing music and you wanna play your music you want to fall asleep, you can set the music to stop playing after a couple of minutes or after a specific number of tracks. So you can see if I press there, it'll say my music will stop after 5 tracks. So I just need to stop playing music. When I stop playing music, my music will stop after 5 songs I've played. And I think that's really convenient for people who like to, leave their phone charging in a different part of their room, and maybe their phone is connected to like a sound system or something, and you don't want to wake up to turn it off. That tweak will do it for you. That's Sleep Easy. The next tweak is a control center tweak. It's called Akara. This is one of probably the most beautiful tweaks I ever purchased. So this tweak completely changes your control center. Very cool. Looks very amazing. And so these are not the icons that come with the tweak. See them moving and shit. That's another tweak called where is it? It's called, oh my god. Oh, here it is. Plum PCC. So this tweak brings your control center alive. It makes your control center modules move around or pulse or do a lot of crazy stuff. You see, like, you can check. I'm literally screen recording right now. You can see it beeping like a heartbeat. You can check my Shazam, my low power mode, my flashlight, then my dark mode. My Bluetooth icon, if you look at it closely, you can see it moving around. So that Plum PCC going hand in hand with Akara. Pretty neat, huh? So the next tweak is a tweak called Deluminator. Yeah, Deluminator. So this is a pretty basic tweak. What it does, it makes your Safari, whatever you're browsing on Safari, makes everything you're browsing. It gives you a dark mode for pages. For example, I know Gujarat does not have a dark mode, but you see, it's got a dark mode now. Yeah. So that's Deluminator. Deluminator makes your Safari app dark on all websites. So you should try that out. So another tweak is a tweak called Links. Links is like from back in the day. If you've been jailbreaking your phone, there was a tweak called Springtomize 5. Springtomize 5 was discontinued for some reason, but then came up Links. So this tweak is actually called Links 2. It enables you to customize your phone from anywhere you want. You can even customize individual apps like music, app store, camera, your phone app. Customize your status bar, your springboard, your lock screen, anything you want. It got so many options. I can't even be able to show you all of them today. So the other tweak is called Switch Shades. Switch Shades is also a basic tweak. It changes the background of your app switcher to the color of the icon of the app that's currently showing. So you can see my background is red when the Apple Music app is on the top. You see it changes to green when Dopamine is on top, changes to dark when X is on top, changes to a little bit of pink when Instagram is up. Yeah, so you get the point. So that's Switch Shades. It's a free app. It's a free tweak. You can get it on Sileo. So I don't want this video to be too long, so y'all gonna have to just watch this one first. I'm gonna upload another video about some more other tweaks. I put all the repos to all the tweaks I've mentioned above in the description. So I'm gonna see y'all guys later. Have a good one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Peace.